Hello my friends, and welcome back to Painting with Jenny. Today we're going to try to do something my son wants. I've got a whole bunch of gold paint in here with red and orange and yellow and a bit of white because he likes tigers, and he asked me to do a tiger for him. So I don't know if this will turn out the way he hopes, but we shall see what we can do. Just gonna put a little extra white over on our canvas here before we take the paint off. I like to give it something to really slide around on. There we go. Let's see what we look like. Oop, off we come. Nice. Yeah, we have a lot of gold in there for sure. But I think it's gonna, looks like we'll have a good assortment of the colors we want. Of course, we'll have to put on some black stripes after we tip this around. I didn't forget the black. Here we go. Slippity slide. Perfect. There we go. There you go. Wow. Okay, I have to admit I already love that, but it doesn't look tigery, so we gotta add some black stripes to it. Yeah, the black is a bit heavy. It's just sinking right in as I drag it through. It's almost like a funnel pour the way it goes underneath the base color. We'll just lay down some stripes here and there. I'm gonna try playing with the chain a bit again. I don't know, I don't tend to do much with the chain, but we'll play with it a little bit here, see if we can get some furry looking stuff going on or not. If not, I'll resort to my usual tricks. My good old usual bag of tricks. There, I think that's enough black. A bunch of stripes. Now we'll just see if dragging this chain through will make us get any sort of furry effects. Yeah, almost feathery more than furry, isn't it? But we'll do a few more and just see if we, since those black stripes are too thin regardless of what we do, so let's just do a little practice with the chain while we're here playing anyway. I have to say that doesn't look like fur at all. Some people do amazing stuff with the chain, but I don't think I'm ever gonna get the hang of it. But I also think it's nice to see things fail and then hopefully work out in the end. So we'll see. I do think I'm going to go over it with my rolling pin at the end. It's gonna change quite a bit, but it's hard to sacrifice, but it's usually worth it if things aren't quite right. It won't hurt to try things. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna pull out the rolling pin. That's okay. It's a lot of fun to just play with the chain anyway. Sort of learning a little bit about what its potential is. But it's not what I want, so let's pull out our rolling pin. What do you say? That was brave, but I think it's good. A lot more white came out than I expected. Well, I did have the bottom was all white, so you just, with the rolling pin, it kind of pulls off a lot of what's on top. There you go. Okay, now I'm happy. This is really going the way I want it to. Ah, yay! I don't know if you noticed, but tigers have actually got a lot of white on them. And I don't think I could have hoped for a better effect. Good old rolling pin, you can always count on them. They'll help. Anytime you're not happy with something you've done, just pull out your rolling pin and go over it. And look how beautiful this is. I mean, really, that is a tiger. Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night. Just making sure all our streaks and stripes are filled in good. Don't want to have too much in the way of just bare patches. And we'll just make sure all our bubbles are popped. Don't have any cells hiding under there to worry about. The rolling pin usually does a pretty good job of popping cells too, so you get the nice streaky effects. I love it. What do you think? I hope he'll be happy. I mean, I sure am. Look at this. It's just such fun. And a tiger just laid against my little window here. I can just see his side pressed against the pane. Well, I hope you guys like this as much as I do. Hope you enjoyed watching it unfold and seeing me struggle with it. And I hope you'll join me again next time for whatever new adventure we will have.